When you are conducting clinical trials, you know managing and tracking study startup activities in multiple places can be complex and slow you down. Sifting through spreadsheets and emails makes it difficult to determine what's on the critical path for your study and can add weeks to the study timeline. When delays can cost up to $2 million per month, it's important to identify the right sites quickly and activate them with ease. Veeva Vault Study Startup makes it easy to manage study startup processes and speed time to site activation. Get a full view of your studies and milestones with a personalized study startup homepage. See your priorities for the day and complete your tasks. Find issues and bottlenecks, then take actions to resolve them, and collaborate with others, all from a single, intuitive interface. Minimize the challenge of finding the right sites and activate them quickly by sending feasibility surveys directly from the application, which means no more manual surveys and wasted hours reconciling results. Built-in workflows and country-specific milestones for global studies accelerate the site activation process, and real-time dashboards and reports let you track their progress. Vault Study Startup is part of Veeva's unified suite of clinical operations applications. It enables seamless sharing of information across CTMS, eTMF, and Study Startup, improving collaboration and increasing efficiency. Speed your clinical trials and make better, more informed decisions that get products to patients faster with Vault Study Startup. Visit veeva.com to learn more.